If you are looking to start your forex trading journey this new year 2025, in this video I talked about some key things, some important things you need to have in mind before proceeding on commencing your forex trading journey this year. Hey, what's up guys? If you're new to the channel, I'm ifexthegreat. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all of your support and welcome back to the channel. Without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. The first thing you need to have in mind is what is a forex broker. A forex broker is simply a medium that allows you to trade your own personal funds in the forex market, whether it be during, after your learning process, or within your learning process. You eventually need to trade with a forex broker, because without a forex broker you cannot trade the forex market using real money or real capital. Now there are thousands of brokers out there, but in order to know the one that you have to pick in particular, here are some certain criteria that I believe you need to check. The first and the most important criteria when choosing a broker is to ensure that that broker is regulated. Regulation simply means that the broker is backed up by the government and it falls under government laws. In this case, or in this scenario, your funds in that particular broker is insured. The second criteria that I believe that a broker should meet is easy verification, because most of these brokers out there, they require lots of documents in order for you to be verified on the broker, because once you're not verified on a particular broker, you eventually cannot be able to withdraw your money. Let's say a broker allows you to deposit funds into their broker, but if you're not able to verify your account, they will not allow you to be able to withdraw that fund. So I will say go for a broker that has easy verification. Another criteria to consider when choosing a broker is actually making sure that they have quick deposits and withdrawal. Many of these brokers, they are very dodgy and they are not straightforward. Your deposit always takes a lot of time before it reflects in your account, and your withdrawals takes a lot of time before it's being processed. So I would advise that you go for brokers that have quick deposits and quick withdrawals. One of my own personal criteria when choosing a broker is direct bank transfer, because I would not want a situation whereby I would want to withdraw my funds directly to my bank account and I'll have to go through USDT or crypto means, because not all of us are crypto traders. Because personally I prefer direct bank transfers to actually crypto withdrawals. So when I'm looking forward to choosing a broker, I'll make sure that that broker has direct bank transfer to the particular country that I'm in. Another important criteria about choosing a forex broker is making sure that that particular broker has very good spreads, because if you have poor spreads, you are going to risk losing a lot. Most of your trades might actually go in the direction that you're expecting, but due to the large amount of spreads, it will not activate your positions, it will hit your stop loss very easily, it will not hit your TP target when it's supposed to hit your TP target. So ensure that when choosing a broker, that broker actually has very good spreads. It's very important. With all of these criteria in mind, I feel that there is only one broker that I've found so far that meets up to all of these criteria, which is TradeWill broker. Since I use this broker personally, I recently reached out to them in order to discuss like a deal for my subscribers, or a deal for new users that are about to use the broker, or a deal for new traders, because since I teach a lot about forex trading for beginners, I want to find a way whereby new traders can get benefits of a broker. So after my discussion with them, they actually liked the idea and have offered me free bonus to any of my subscribers that actually register using my link in the description. So if you want a broker that offers you good spread, that offers you good minimum deposit, which is $3, that offers you easy verification, has an application, has good customer services, it's regulated, and also provides you with fast deposit and withdrawal services, ensure you use TradeWill, which is the broker that I'm currently using myself and is in the description. Now, the next thing you need to have in mind before commencing your forex trading journey is picking a strategy. You have to have a strategy if you want to make money in the forex market in the long run. A forex trading strategy is a set of predefined rules and criteria that has been back tested over previous chart data and has proven effective. So with that definition in mind, ensure that when picking a forex strategy, it has been back tested, it has been proven profitable, and it has been used across multiple pairs, because for a forex strategy to actually be profitable, it must have been back tested across multiple pairs. Multiple pairs means multiple forex pairs, either currency pairs, indices, metals, or crypto. On this channel, I actually show you guys the strategies that I use to place trades and to take setups that has proven to be profitable in a very long period of time. So if you are interested in using my own trading strategy, ensure you watch my videos on how to analyze the market, and ensure you watch my playlist of forex trading for beginners, which is available currently in my channel, so check that out too. The next thing you need to have in mind before commencing your forex trading journey is what is known as risk management. Risk management can simply be defined as you knowing how to manage your funds in a particular trade, so ensure that you're not risking your entire account in just one trade. Usually, even with a very good trading trading strategy, if you have bad risk management, you eventually end up blowing your account, because you cannot be profitable in the forex markets if you have bad risk management. So risk management is simply you knowing how to manage your funds in a particular trade. So there are actually a bunch of tools and applications that can help you knowing how much you are risking or how much you're willing to lose on a particular trade. I've talked about those tools, those forex tools that you need as a trader if you want to manage your risks, or you want to start as a beginner forex trader. I've talked about a lot of these tools that you need as a beginner forex trader, so ensure you check out my channel. The next thing you need to have in mind before proceeding your journey in forex trading this 2025 is patience and discipline. Now you wonder, why was patience and discipline mentioned? Patience is simply you waiting for your setups, waiting for your criteria to occur before actually placing any trades, and not just being in a hurry to take trades a day, or to take a particular trade a day, or to enter a position to take a setup a day when the setup has not met up to your criteria, when the setup has not met up to your strategy's rules. So having patience to wait for your own setup before actually placing trades in the forex market is a very important thing to have if you eventually want to become a profitable forex trader this year 2025. Now discipline simply means whenever a currency pair finally meets up to your criteria, or whenever a setup meets up to your criteria, is taking that trade, setting your stop loss target and setting your take profit target, and making sure that you do not leave that market unless your stop loss target has been hit or your take profit target has been hit. You don't want to leave the market when you see the market not going in your favor but hasn't gotten to your stop loss yet, because a lot of new traders, whenever they place a trade and they see the trade is going against them, they eventually want to quick do fast and leave the market or leave the position when the market has not gotten to their defined stop loss or their defined take profit target. So ensure that you have discipline in the forex market. If you eventually want to be profitable, make sure that you have your set of rules, and whenever you see those rules have been met or those criteria has been met on the chart, take your trade, use a stop loss, use a take profit, and do not leave the market except one of them has been hit. The last thing that you need to have in mind is controlling your greed. Greed is a very bad thing in forex trading, because you see the amount, you see yourself making money and you always want to make more. You're not satisfied, or you are not following the rules after you've seen the profits, because you want more profit, you want to live the lifestyle of a forex trader. So ensure that you are able to control your greed if you eventually want to be profitable in your forex journey this 2025. When placing a trade, I will always advise that you don't need to target a very big risk to reward ratio of like 1 to 10, 1 to 20. You can simply target a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. And so far that strategy you are using is profitable, over the long time or over the long period, you are eventually going to be very, very profitable while doing forex trading. Ensuring that your greed is under control means you not over risking, you not going for more than you are supposed to take out, because it's very important to take out profits in the forex market. You seeing the numbers on the screen doesn't mean anything if those numbers do not enter your bank account. So ensure that you actually take out profits and you actually leave trade positions the time you're expected to leave those positions, so that the position doesn't risk turning against you and going back to your stop loss or going back to your entry and losing all of those profits you see on the screen. With all that said, I wish you guys success on your new forex trading journey that you have commenced in 2025. Remember guys, this journey is not going to be an easy one. There's going to be a series of highs and lows. You're eventually going to enter a winning streak, a losing streak. You're eventually going to feel as if you're not learned enough, but just take it easy, take it one step at a time. And I believe at the end of everything, it's going to be very profitable and it's going to be very beneficial to a lot of you guys watching. So good luck on your forex trading journey this year, 2025. So use the broker that I use personally to trade the forex market that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and enjoy the offers that I have presented to you guys, beginners and new traders 2025. Ensure you click on the link in my description, register for the broker, download the application, deposit your amount and receive bonuses that they have to offer to you guys, new traders coming into the forex market. So I wish you guys the best of the best, and with that being said, I hope you all have a lovely, a safe and an amazing day. Goodbye everybody.